Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's video is about strategy and we will list the characteristics that every made-up strategy should have. First of all, make sure to subscribe to the channel please to make our family bigger and hit the bell notification on because lots of useful videos we will cast it in the next days and it's better not to miss them. Well, every successful trader or investor has its own strategy of buying, selling, or holding stakes, coins, etc. And every strategy is made up of multiple factors, cooperating together and create a profitable set of rules which show us the way in the financial market. So as a result, a good strategy conducts our trades with smooth discipline. In a simple language, a strategy leads us to routine trades. Necessarily not all strategies working properly. Every strategy should be backtested and give the trader this confidence that, yeah, it's okay, it's working well, that's cool. Then implement in the real market with real capital. Otherwise, it have to be changed. The very first and primary characteristics of a strategy is enter-exit points. Entry point is important, but what does matter more is the exit point, which is double more important than entry point because the exit point reveals and determines how much we have gained from our trade. It occurs that a trade didn't open in a proper value, but exit point was so good that covers the wrong entry point. Second important factor is that strategy gives us the trend direction and moreover the power of the trend. For example, there is an uptrend and not that strong. RSI is around 50%. But the strategy, regardless to the power of the demand, gives the enter signal and just by opening the long position the market reverses and gives no time to exit with less or no loss. And this is a negative aspect for a strategy. Another characteristic which a strategy should consider is trailing stop. Trailing stop is so important and through that we can save our profit when the market is in our favor and we are positive and suddenly reverses. In this case, we don't lose all of our profits. And the last important characteristic of a good strategy is that the entry should be learned smartly. As an example, when we have a breakout, the strategy instantly should not give the enter alarm, but only after confirmation. It's time to open a sell or buy position. A well-developed strategy makes our trades disciplined. Again, I want to remind you and strongly emphasize that make sure your strategy being backtested for trade with real capital. Thank you so much for taking your time on this video. Hope that it would be satisfactory. In the end, make sure to subscribe please and stay tuned for our next content. See you soon.